If you thought Google's Pixel 10 was the unbeatable budget flagship of the year, think again. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Samsung's freshly launched Galaxy S25 FE is here to crash the party, and it's making a loud entrance. Both phones aim to pack premium features into a more affordable package, but the S25 FE pulls ahead where it matters most. While the Pixel 10 shows off its bold color palette, Samsung focuses on practicality and polish. The S25 FE is noticeably lighter and slimmer, making it easier to hold and operate even with its larger screen. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 feels a bit bulkier, which can be a deal breaker for those who prefer sleek over stocky. When it comes to cameras, the Pixel 10 flexes with a 5x optical zoom, but that's where the flex ends. The Galaxy S25 FE's 50-megapixel primary sensor shines in low light, thanks to its superior sensor size. Both may stumble in truly poor lighting, but we can't ignore Samsung's edge here. Now the video showdown's here, where the S25 FE throws a knockout punch. It supports 8K video at 30 frames per second, 4K HDR recording, and offers greater post-editing flexibility features the Pixel 10 just can't match. Google's out at 4K 60 frames per second, but lacks enhancements like video boost. Sure, the Pixel 10 comes dressed in flashy colors, but the Galaxy S25 FE comes fully armed with smarter features, better video capabilities, and a design that simply makes more sense for everyday users. So if you're choosing between these two, the Galaxy S25 FE doesn't just keep up, it quietly overtakes. Are you still gonna side with Pixel 10? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.